Hi, my name's Nicole with the Odell Group at Seven Gables Real Estate, and I want to introduce you to our newest listing at 17462 Parker Drive here in Tustin. Now, if you love to entertain, this is the home for you. So you know how everyone congregates in the kitchen and sometimes it gets a little crowded? That's not a problem with this home. You have an open floor plan with a large kitchen that flows right into this wonderful entertaining backyard. Now the backyard offers a pool, a spa, a covered eating area, built-in barbecue, fireplace, and a grass area for the children to play. Now my sellers purchased this home because they needed the mother-in-law suite. Now they've since opened up the walls, but it's easy conversion just to put back up a wall if you need a mother-in-law suite, which would offer you a bedroom, a living area, separate bathroom, kitchenette, and a private entry. I'm so excited about this listing. Come on in. I'd love to show it to you.